In this video, we're going to talk about some common graph settings if you are using the automatic prompt fading prompt level template. So you set that up in your skill acquisition program. You can watch a separate video on setting that up and running that. There are some specific settings that can be helpful with this type of program. So for example, here we have on our y-axis, you can choose the prompt success rate. So what this is showing is your prompt level that was showing on each trial compared to the prompt level that was selected. So if the prompt level that was showing is the same as the prompt level that was selected, it's considered a successful trial. In addition, if the prompt level selected was a less intrusive prompt than was showing, it's also considered a successful trial. So for example, here on this program, these are our prompt levels, and this is the order they go in, so this full physical being the most intrusive. So for example, if partial physical was showing on the trial and the staff selected either partial physical, gesture, or independent as the outcome of that trial, that would be considered a successful prompt. So that's what this graph is showing, how many your percent success of your prompts. So not your percent success total of the data, but of your prompts. So that's one option and one way to analyze that data on this graph. You also can use this value on the y-axis, and you can group by hinted prompt level. So what this shows you is your success rate so it's the same value, the success rate of the prompt, but it groups it by each different prompt level. So it shows you the success rate of your full physical, your partial physical, your gesture. You can see here that your full physical is always successful since that's the most intrusive prompt there, and then partial physical is a little less successful, and so on. So that's what that will show. And the other common settings for this type of program is to change this y-axis value to occurrences. And here I can see, let me zoom in so you can see a little bit in more detail. I can see the number of occurrences of the hinted prompt level here, because I'm still grouped by hinted prompt level. So the number of times that prompt level was showing on the data sheet, and then I can change to prompt level, and then I can see the number of times that a number of occurrences that prompt level was selected on the data sheet, so or on those trials. So typically we don't recommend using success rate or successful observations on this type of program, since each prompt is shown as either a successful or unsuccessful trial. We won't show you as much of that data, and those are the common settings used for this type of program.